समस्तैः संसेव्यः सततमपि कामाक्षि विबुधैः स्तुतो गन्धर्वस्त्रीसुललितविपञ्चीकलरवैः भवत्या भिन्दानो भवगिरिकुलञ्जृम्भिततमो वलद्रोही मातश्चरणपुरुहूतो विजयते. समस्तैः विसर्ग changes to s. संसेव्यः समस्तैः संसेव्यः because of sandhi. Visarga changes to s again. Satatam संसेव्यः सततम because of sandhi. Api satatam api. Kamakshi is a compound word. E is short there. Vibudhaihi dhas mahapranah. Stutaha becomes stuto because of sandhi. Gandharva stri sulalita vipanchi kalaravaihi is a compound word. Gandharva stri sulalita vipanchi kalaravaihi. Gandharva the dhas mahapranah. Samastais samsevyas satatamapi kamakshi vibudhaihi stuto gandharva stri sulalita vipanchi kalaravaihi. Bhavatyaha bhas mahapranah. Visarga is dropped because of sandhi. Bhindanah bhas mahapranah. It becomes bhindano because of sandhi. Bhavagiri kulam is a compound word. Bhas mahapranah. Jrumbhita bhas mahapranah. Tamo vala drohi. Jrumbhita tamo vala drohi is a compound word. Now Bhavagiri kulan jrumbhita tamo valadrohi because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to new there. Mataha visarga changes to sh. Charana puruhutaha is a compound word. Matash charana puruhutaha because of sandhi. Charana puruhutaha becomes charana puruhuto because of sandhi. Vijayate bhavatya bhindano Bhavagirikulanjrumbhitatamo valadrohi Matascharanapuruhuto vijayate. Samastais samsevyas satatamapi kamakshi vibudhaihi Stuto gandharvastri sulalita vipanchi kalaravaihi Bhavatya bhindano bhavagirikulanjrumbhitatamo valadrohi matascharanapuruhuto vijayate. Vasantam bhaktanamapi manasi nityam parilasadghanachchaya purnam shuchimapi nrinantapashamanam nakhendujyotsnabhishishiramaphi Padmodayakaram Namamah Kamakshyascharanamadhikashcharyakaranam. Vasantam Bhaktanam bhas mahapranah api. Bhaktanam api manasi nityam parilasadghanachchaya purnam is a compound word. Ghana, gha and chaya, cha are mahapranah. Parilasadghanachchaya purnam. Shuchim api. Shuchim api. Nrinam tapashamanam is a compound word. Vasantam bhaktanam api manasi nityam parilasadghanachchaya purnam shuchim api nrinam tapashamanam. Nakhendujyotsnabhihi is a compound word. Kha and bhar mahapranah. Visarga changes to sh. Shishiram. Nakhendujyotsnabhishishiram because of sandhi. Api. Shishiram api. Padmodayakaram is a compound word. Namamaha. Visarga changes to jikhva mulya. Kamakshaha. Namamah kamakshaha because of sandhi. Visarga changes to shu there. Charanam. Kamakshyascharanam because of sandhi. Adhika Ascharya-karanam. Adhika Ascharya-karanam is a compound word. Dhas mahapranah. Charanam Adhika Ascharya-karanam. Nakhendujyotsnabhishishiram api Padmodayakaram नमामः कामाक्ष्याश्चरणमधिकाश्चर्यकरणम् वसन्तं भक्तानामपि मनसि नित्यं परिलसद्घनच्छायापूर्णं शुचिमपि नृणान्तापशमनम् नखेन्दुज्योत्स्नाभिः शिशिरमपि पद्मोदयकरं नमामः कामाक्ष्याश्चरणमधिकाश्चर्यकरणम्